Hello, my name is Ana Sofia, and in this video I'm gonna do an experiment to show the one-dimensional motion in a daily life examples. For this experiment, we are gonna use a stopwatch and a table, or in this case, a book. So what we're gonna do is to calculate the acceleration it takes the book when we let it fall down from different angles. First, we need to know the length of the book. So, the exact length of my book is 29.8 centimeters. Okay, so let's start by positioning our book in the first angle, okay? Don't forget to annotate the time it takes. Okay, so I'm gonna start right now. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it took 1.18 seconds. Okay, let's continue in our second angle. Okay, so so 1, 2, and 3. It took 75 microseconds. Okay, now from our last angle. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. It took 50 microseconds. Okay, so now that I have the time and the length, it's time to calculate the final velocity so we can get the acceleration. So in the next chart, we can see our final results. On angle number 1, we had 0.4 meters over square seconds. On the number 2, 0.79 meters over square seconds. And in the last one, 2.38 meters over square seconds. Okay, so for the first question, which is the types of movements, well, I think the only movement is the translatory, because we are just the table is using, well, trans it's translating trans. It's moving from one position to another. So I think that's the movement it is. And our conclusion, the difference I saw of acceleration between the three angles is that when the book was in a less distance from the table, from the from the table, the superficie, it was a higher acceleration than when it was a longer distance. I don't know if I explain myself, but okay. I move the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, when the book was in a less distance, the acceleration was more. But when it was in a longer distance, the acceleration was less. So that's the difference I saw between them. And well, I think it's obvious because it's when it's more less, well, when it's a short distance, it takes less time, and when it's a large distance, it takes more time. And we can see it in different things, not only in a book, also in a car, or in when an object fell down from a higher distance, it takes more time, and when it fell down from a shortest distance, it takes less time. So those were my observations, and I hope this video can help you to understand a little bit more about the one-dimensional motion. And well, Thanks for watching it and see you next time.